owners is that they are doing too much work in and not enough work on. How many of you know the difference between working in and working on the business? Imagine if you are working in the business day in, day out for 5 years. What will happen to you? Burnout. So you see, the majority of us are having to choose doors. But which door you choose is about what you want. Is to show you that there are strengths in each and every door, whichever way that you choose it.
We were working in the business all the time, and we never had time to work on the business. That was the greatest change that brought Action Coach to us.
Thanks for not always being nice. Thanks for always pushing me and challenging me to try new things and to reach for bigger things. And most of all, thanks for always being there for me. I know I can just pick up the phone and I can call my coach. So I think that's the most important thing for me.
Life has actually been great now that things are actually more systematized and SOPs coming along well. We're able to leave without having to worry about the company. My husband and I have also even joined a fitness program to basically get ourselves fitter and healthier.
Now I am sharing with you and encourage all business owners to get a coach, Action Coach, Coach Maresa, to help you in your business, because I can prove in my own life and my business that it works. It works for my friend, and it also works for me, and I believe it works for you guys also.
Engage an external consultant, a coach like Maresa, who will bring you different thoughts and perspectives, provides check and balance, and motivate you through the process. Be ready to undo things, develop new character, so that as an entrepreneur, you grow your business for yourself and your family, not just benefit others.